Ari here. We back with another video. First of all, thank you so much for clicking on my video. For the first time seeing my face here, like I said, hey y'all, I'm Ari. I'm a natural hair content creator. I kind of do a little bit of everything, styling, product knowledge, a little bit of everything. So before we even get started, take a second, go down below, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, okay? But okay, y'all, so you clicked on this video because you want to know about this whole Curlsmith'S product that's going around Instagram. If you've seen it, people have been posting about these products non-stop. And like, I ain't catch on. I'm like, what's going on? Like, why everybody, they just buying it now all of a sudden? Like, I was confused. So today I'm really gonna give you a breakdown of what's in these products. I know you was probably expecting to see like a demo of this, but like, let's be honest. How many of y'all have scrolled through your Instagram, scrolled through any social media feed that you have, and then you see your favorite YouTuber, whomever, posting about this product. You go buy this product, and that baby don't work for you. Now you ready to go on Instagram or go on they page and you commenting, you trolling now because you mad.
I need Obama's number right now. I know he's not a president, but I know he knows something.
Or you posting videos because you mad. But let's be honest, let's talk to me, baby. Did you really know what the purpose of that product was? Or did you just see somebody using it and being like, let me just buy it? You see, a lot of times these brands, they know that that's what we do. They know that a lot of the community is not knowledgeable, so they play on that.
That's suspicious.
Is it cool? Absolutely not. But they do it, it's business, and it sucks a lot of times. So your favorite muse is here to help you, just to decipher what you actually need from what you can actually just, you know, double tap, like, support your favorite YouTuber and keep it pushing. So you can save your coins, y'all. We in a panic. Don't nobody have coins to waste, okay?
Let me tell you something, sweetheart. I don't know how y'all do shit where you from, but let me tell you something. Where I'm from, we don't do shit.
So this is the Bond Co. Rehab Salve, or Salve, I don't know how it's pronounced. It usually retails for about $29. The purpose of this product is supposed to be a powerful treatment to repair and strengthen hair. So when you hear that, what you thinking? Oh, my hair about to be down my back. It's about to be rice water on crack. What you need? Like, this stuff about to go crazy, dumb, and stupid. Like, yes. No. Listen. These type of treatments, when you see any type of treatment that says like strengthening or repairing, always remember that 9 times out of 10, that part's gonna have protein in it. If you don't know, now you know. If you don't follow me on TikTok, first of all, you're missing all the gems because I be dropping them for the kid, okay? Type of treatment that's going to strengthen the protein strap, the protein that is your hair. You probably like, what?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Listen, y'all, I'm gonna keep this real simple because this is literally how I passed all my chem classes, by keeping it real simple, because you know chemistry can get real out of hand with the chemical bonds, and we ain't even get into that. But so basically, this is supposed to be a pre-poo that's supposed to use protein to strengthen your hair. So you're supposed to use this treatment before you shampoo. So basically, usually we do pre-poo. When I pre-poo, I'm low porosity. If you don't know, I'm gonna put my hair specs on the screen. But with pre-pooing, with me being low porosity, I tend to go to more hydrating things. So for me, my favorite pre-poo is $1.99. Okay, and it's aloe vera. That's like my favorite pre-poo if I do pre-poo, because I don't do all the time, because who has time to extend wash day? That's whack. But anyways, so let's just start from scratch real quick. What is hair? You probably like, girl, what? It's that thing on your head.
Who cares about hair anyway? It's only dead skin. Or maybe it's protein. I wasn't paying attention in class today. It's protein.
But what is it made out of, y'all? Say it with me.
It's protein.
Come on, Tia. Tell them, boo-boo, what's it made out of?
It's protein.
Say it again.
It's protein.
One more time, I don't think they heard you.
It's protein.
Protein. Okay. Of a tough protein called keratin. And keratin is basically a protein chain of amino acids. There are 3 different types of bonds in the hair. There's disulfide bonds, salt bonds, and hydrogen bonds that basically make up the shaft of the hair. And those bonds can easily be broken by simply just putting water on your hair, which can mess up your hydrogen bonds in your hair, which the hydrogen bonds are the weakest of all the bonds, but they're easily repaired. And then you can also mess it up by Y'all ever heard about hard water?
Oh my God, what is that?
Y'all know, if you've been to like a different climate, I know for me, for example, like if I go overseas, like especially going to the UK, hard water is like popping over there, okay? And every time I go, I can never actually wash my face with the sink water. I always have to use like bottled water on my face, cause my face be out here peeling and stuff, cause the hard water just ain't for the kid. My baby skin too delicate for that, okay? My skin be like, no. So when you put something that's higher in your acid, that's higher in a pH, something above 5.5, it usually damages the salt bonds. Hard water is usually about an 8.5, 8.5 on the pH scale, so you way overdoing it. A lot of times you use hard water, you find that your hair may feel super dry, or it's not absorbing the moisture, or whatever the case may be. You're just, you've ruined those bonds. That's okay. Or then you have, I feel like, is the most common bond that gets broken, which are the disulfide bonds. The disulfide bonds in our hair are the ones that are responsible for keeping the shape of the hair, the elasticity, and a lot of times those are the ones that are more generally broken based off of treatments that we put on our hair. So whether we relax, you color your hair, dye your hair, you bleach your hair, whatever the case may be, those products, those chemicals come in and they destroy those bonds, and they have to, because for example, like a relaxer, the point of a relaxer is to basically take the shape of the hair and to reshape it. So you already have this beautiful curl or this beautiful coil, and this chemical comes in and it's like, nah, like I'm running this right now, I'm straightening you out, like period.
That's what, bitch.
Many of these chemical treatments involve covering the strands and then heating it up to activate it. So like when you get your hair colored, a lot of times they will, or if you get it bleached, they'll color the hair, put the chemical on the hair, and then they cover it. The product is not actually activated. I don't know if y'all watch Brad Mondo, but he always says, you cover it to make it, cover your hair when it's being bleached so you can insulate your hair so it can heat up. You know what I'm saying? So now it's doing what it needs. So now it's processing. It's doing what it needs to do. But during that process, your hair is being reshaping. The elasticity is being tampered with. Everything is being tampered with. And these bonds are very important to keep your hair balanced. Think of your hair as like a Libra scale, right? So you have the strand, and on each end of the strand, you have 2 scales. So one scale is for moisture and one scale is for protein. Treatments on your hair, whether it's relaxing, coloring, bleaching, whatever, you've now put those scales out of equilibrium. So now, let's get into this actual product, because that's what y'all here for, right? Yes. Now, what I do appreciate about Curlsmith is what a lot of brands don't do. A lot of brands focus more so on things that aren't as important when it comes to our hair, which is texture typing. Yes, it's great to know, okay, I have type 3 hair, I have type 4 hair. That's great, but it's not the most important thing in the world. Trust me, it's not. It's not really the most important thing to know how your hair is going to handle moisture, how your hair handles protein, how your hair just basically coats on a regular basis. It's not really going to help you. What you need to know is your porosity. I know y'all about sick and tired of hearing that word, but it's so true. Your porosity is so important, you guys. So on the Curlsmith's site, I'm putting everything here. They do tell you if you're high porosity, medium, or low porosity, how to use this product. And you are low porosity, you probably like, what? I'm not even gonna put this on my hair, because I'm not gonna lie. When I first saw this product on my Instagram feed, I was like, oh, this is nice. I'm gonna support all my, favorite black creators that have the sponsored content. I'm gonna support, I'm gonna double tap, I'm gonna comment, I'm gonna share, I'm gonna run their engagement up so they can keep getting their sponsorships. However, I'm not buying nothing, baby. I'm not buying it. Why? Because I'm low porosity, and I don't know how my hair is when it comes to protein. You gotta remember, with your health, with hair health, skin health, your overall health, what you put in is what you're gonna get out. So if you're not eating healthy, but you're putting a bunch of oils on your hair, talk about my hair won't grow. Of course it won't, because you're not taking care of your hair, you're not taking care of your insides. So it's pushing all that gunk out so the oil can't even penetrate the way it's supposed to. You know what I'm saying? But I did find that with this product does have about 31 ingredients listed, and I noticed that for me, this would be a great protein treatment if I'm suffering from hydro fatigue. There's always the two ends of the spectrum. Either you have hydro fatigue or you have protein overload. Hydro fatigue is basically when you get too much moisture from the outside of the hair into the inner cortex of the hair, and it just causes the hair to swell and reduce, and it does it so much to the point where the hair doesn't know what to do, so it just becomes frizzy. You need something to bring it back. So what do you put in there? Protein. So this would be a great treatment to put in your hair. I think they recommend you put it in for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll correct myself, but you don't do these very often. So remember, when it comes to ingredients, and reading your ingredients list, the first 5 ingredients are always the most important ingredients, especially when it comes to your leave-ins, your shampoos, and your conditioners. Usually a lot of these products that are water-based, sorry, I don't know what that was. Usually a lot of these products are water-based, okay? Water usually takes up about 50 to about 80% of the ingredients.
I don't like that.
So if you're telling me that there's 80% of water in a product, and you give me a list of 31 ingredients, that means that there's only 20% of the rest of ingredients that can fit. So when you look at these products and maybe having a whole epistle, a thesis full of ingredients, put that thing back, because baby, it's not important. And you know what I hate? When they have these products where you look and they have these key ingredients, and then you look on the ingredients list and the key ingredients are way down here. So they're not having as much as an effect on your hair as they should. But Curlsmith does do a pretty good job at balancing out their ingredients. So like I said, there's 31 ingredients in this product. The number 1 ingredient is water. Number 2 is cetearyl alcohol, which is a fatty alcohol, which is really good for slip. So I would assume that this product has a lot of slip. Watching from the videos, I saw that people were able to comb their hair out. You don't really want to comb your hair out really detangling with the protein, because it usually makes your hair hard. So I mean, slip doesn't really matter. But if that's something that's a big deal for you, then cetearyl alcohol, fatty alcohols are going to be your best friend. That's number 2. Number 3 is one of their key ingredients that they do highlight on their page, which is chia seed extract. Chia seed extract is about 20% protein. So you know that this product is not like feeding you a bunch of nonsense, because they said that this is a strengthening treatment. They're putting their strengthening ingredients at the top of the list, so they know that you're gonna get a good at least 20% dose of protein in your hair, in your strength, in that treatment. So you know that they're not playing with you. You know what I'm saying? Whereas a lot of these brands, the protein be way down in the bottom. I'm like, I'm supposed to do that. This is not a strengthening treatment. This is a joke, and you're childish.
Wait a damn minute.
Okay, so that's the 3rd ingredient. The 4th ingredient is creatinine, which is an amino acid, which is glycine and arginine. Usually those things, you can actually get creatinine just from consuming meat. And you have polyquincenerum 10, which enhances enhances and repairs damaged texture. So now looking at that 5 ingredients, ingredients number 3, 4, and 5 are all protein. So you know that this product is going to be slightly stronger when it comes to protein. So somebody who has low porosity hair, you're not going to want to use this very much, because the protein is just very strong. There's a lot of protein at the top of the product. And then looking down at the rest of their list, their other highlighter, like key ingredients, shiitake mushrooms, pears, that's 7 and 8, almond and currant and kale are 11, 12, and 13. Now, listen, I know this was a lot of information, and I hope it wasn't all over the place. It's kind of my first time really trying to like take those TikTok videos that I make and kind of like make it into a big video. So I hope this was helpful. Just remember, when you're looking at these products, turn those ingredients lists over. If you're looking for protein, you're going to want to search for ingredients with these names on the screen. Screenshot this, save it, whatever you need to do, just so the next time you go into the store, the next time that you're looking online, you can feel more confident in yourself. Like, okay, I need protein, this is what I'm looking for. Y'all about to play me with these stupid labels that make absolutely no sense. That's complete marketing. It's a marketing scheme. It's business. I understand the business side of it as well. But we in a penny. Don't nobody have coins to waste. Do you feel me? Okay, so because of that, these are the ingredients that you can look for, so you can be confident in yourself and being like, listen, I know what I need. And don't put your hair through damage, because protein overload is no joke to come back from. Like, oh my goodness, it's terrible. But make sure you guys comment, like, share. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. You know I do. And I will see you guys in the next one. And before you leave, make sure you go down below and you comment any other products that you would like me to give you guys a breakdown on. Or if there's just anything you just want a breakdown on, like how to choose products, how to choose deep conditioners, like what to look for depending on your hair type. I am so open to do that. So make sure you guys comment, like, share, subscribe, join Muse Gang because we live over here. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.